Today about a skiing accidents for today's edition of The Law and You. Guys that love it out on the slopes, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, nice to see you today.
Oh, he's a pro.
I know.
I did go skiing this year, and I did pretty well.
In the Olympics?
No, this year in Montage.
Jumping, ski jumping.
Right. Not quite the Olympics, but Montage, not a bad second
I didn't
spot.
fall.
A good thing. Well, let's get to the question. This is from Amber in Nanticoke and says, my girlfriend fell skiing and went to the ER. They told her nothing was wrong with her leg. As it turns out, her leg is broken and now has to have surgery. She is very upset. Is this a case? So I guess they're asking here, is there anything they can do against the hospital for saying there was nothing wrong?
Well, Amber, anytime you have a medical negligence case, there's two things that you got to prove. First, that negligence occurred. If you went to the ER and they had an x-ray and they misdiagnosed it or missed a break on the x-ray, there may be negligence there. But the next part of that is you have to prove that it caused an injury. And if at the end of the day you would have had to have the surgery anyways, then there's not going to be much that you're going to be able to do in terms of a medical negligence case, even though they may have missed that x-ray. Now, on the other side of that, if you wouldn't have had to have surgery, if it could have been treated with a cast or something of that nature, and now your injury is much more significant because of that delay, you can have a valid case against the ER.
Yeah, Ed's right. These cases, and we see this all the time where we see a negligence, doctors basically make a mistake, a hospital makes a mistake, and then unfortunately the outcome would have been the same, or your damages because of the doctor's error, hospital error, aren't big enough. So in this situation, again, we need more facts, but it does, we'd have to look at it, get the records, but in this situation, if you had to have it anyways, you probably don't have a case.
All right, for our viewers that may have a question about medical negligence, how can they get in touch with you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And in between the ski racing and ski jumping, Greg will be answering the hotline as well. Or go to our Facebook page, post a question on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
What's even more amazing is somewhere between everything he does practice law.
I do. There you go, people. I do practice law.
Award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
All right, to get your question featured here on The Law and You, just head to PAHomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.